All right, Celebrate or Celehate is back when I talk about something from the digital marketing world and tell you if I celebrate it or Celehate it. And this week, AI overviews and AI mode impressions and clicks are coming to Search Console. Good idea, right? Wrong. The implementation on this is beyond complicated. It's like a Dan Flash's pattern, where if you are in an AI overview and you're in the top, regardless of which citation you're on in that AI overview, when your card shows either in a carousel on mobile or when you click to expand on desktop, you will get an impression. Whether you are number 4 in that AI overview or not, you will be given position 1 when you get that impression. However, when you go to AI mode, that's where it changes. If you are showing up on that right-hand rail on desktop or in that carousel on the top, you'll be given an impression because your card or your site is shown. However, it appears that if you are in the 2nd or 3rd or 4th position, you will be then given and assigned that position when an impression is loaded. So AI overviews is reporting differently than AI mode in a way, and also some ways it's similar. The biggest thing is that you will not be given an impression, even if you are in a citation, unless somebody clicks on that link. So the only way to get an impression or a click is to have somebody actually expand that citation to have your card show. Complicated, like I told you. What does this mean for you? You might be thinking, hey, Greg, this sounds great. At least I have some kind of information that I can use. Well, the negative part of this is that all of those clicks will be showing up in the search section of Google Search Console. Typically, Google breaks out things like images, news, discover, and you can see how your performance is there. But with anything AI related, it is going to go directly into that search. And honestly, it's going to muddy all the reporting, and it's going to change the way that you're going to have to use Google Search Console, because a traditional search click or traditional search impression will be in there mixed in with AI mode and AI overviews. So what does this mean for you? Honestly, we've been talking a lot about the great decoupling that we've seen where impressions are rising and clicks are falling. And I think you almost want that, right? If you're in AI mode and you're showing up well, your card is shown on that right-hand rail, you're going to be getting those impressions. Your clicks, however, are going to drop. You don't want to be one of the 5 more sites that don't get an impression. You want to be up there showing and getting that impression because at least you have a shot for somebody to click on you. So I think we're going to have to move more towards like trying to garner impressions and not worrying at all about that click-through rate, especially if that's an important metric that you've been using in Google Search Console. It's changing for the future. I would have loved to see all AI traffic broken out into a tab within Google Search Console, because honestly, AI mode is a tab on its own. And Barry Schwartz made a very astute point last week, 2 weeks ago, where he talked about the fact that every time Google has something that's in a different tab, like images or news or discover, those are broken out differently in Search Console. But in this case, AI mode is not. So you need to know that the way you use Search Console is going to change. And honestly, Google could have fixed all of this by just making an AI tab. Here's where your AI traffic came from. But alas, it is mixed in with your traditional search, and I cannot state this enough. I hate this.